let's learn about layers and alpha lock and procreate. So I am just drawing out a cute little avocado. I'm going to turn down the opacity so that I can add a layer and move it under it to paint on, and I can still kind of see my outline. And here I am just doing the brown outline. I'm going to add another layer to do the green filling, and I'm going to lay down a few different shades of green. So I turned off my sketch so I could see better, so I could blend those greens together a little bit. Turn my sketch back on, and I added another layer, and now I'm painting the seed, and I added some shading to it. So I wanted to turn on alpha lock so that whenever I blended it, it would not go outside of my shape of the seed, which is the circle. And that's what alpha lock does. It doesn't let any of the paint go outside of your original shape, whatever you painted. And that's really good for adding in detail and shading like this. And I did the same thing to the brown outline because I didn't want to lose my shape of my avocado when I was blending it. So now I added another layer on top, and I'm doing some fun, whimsical black outlining. And then I'm going to do the same thing with white. I'm just going to add that, and that is it.